so bemused by this pile of plastic in front of me. Hello, this is WBMTV. I'm Fee, and today we are going to be looking at this aptly named vegetable chopper. Bet you can't guess what it does. It is a multifunctional one-piece vegetable cutter. One of the first things it says is be careful when using or cleaning the sharp blade. I'm going to be really, really careful and see what we can do with it. Let's get chopping. I'm going to go with this simple blade, which is a slicer. And I have successfully put that in without chopping my finger, so I'm pleased about that. So we've got the potato safely in the safety thing. Oh! It doesn't help that where the potato goes... Some people might think this is fabulous. To me, what a whole load of faff just for some slicey potatoes. I'm hopeful that I'm going to like the press down function a bit more. I think this could work really well. Slot this. Right, slot that in, put this bit in. Actually, I think it's the first time I've put this in, so ready, go. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm breaking it. Yes, yes, look at that. We have lovely diced, cut up onions. I'm going to try the smaller square thingy with a chilli. Oh, I feel like I'm a bit optimistic. I wonder whether I should cut it one more time, but I'm just going to try it. Right. It keeps cracking like that. I swear the plastic's cracking somewhere. No, that didn't work. I've just got a flat chilli. I'm trying really hard to be a bit positive about this product, but my instinctive feeling is it's just so fiddly. Right, I'm going to get carrot, chop the end off the carrot. Let's see if we get like ribbon type carrot. Yeah, this is nice. Well, we've got grated carrot. Oh, for goodness sake. There we go. Cheese in my safety grater holder. This might be better. It might not. It might just all crumble. And then you've just got cheese stuck in the cheesy grater thing. I'm done. I'm done with this machine. Pros. Chops your onions well. You don't have to get smelly onion hands. Actually, that is true. Cons, absolutely everything else. So my rating for this, functionality, rubbish. Don't like it. It's got loads of functions. It's got too many functions. Sometimes when something has so many functions, that's when it doesn't function very well. Looks-wise, it looks okay, looks fine, but it feels kind of plasticky, doesn't feel very solid. It's bulky, it's going to take up space in your kitchen cupboards. You're going to use it once or twice and probably never again. Does it do what it says? It is called a vegetable chopper. I think it just kind of does a fancy things with some vegetables and doesn't chop others. So doesn't even really do the job. You've been watching WBM TV and I have been reviewing the vegetable chopper. Please like, comment, let me know. Do you have one? Would you get one? Maybe you've got one that's better than this. Have you got something that you want us to review? We review so that you don't have to.